Alright, we got a Assa Abloy Snowman 500. Let's see here. Got the Cobra Instrument 50 tensioner, using the small side, get whatever angle I can get on her, and then Cobra Instruments Reaper number 3 with the 44 Delta handle on it. Let's see what we can do here. Just kind of doing light touches right now, just seeing what happens. My understanding this one has barrels, which I don't get along with very well yet. I've opened this lock a couple times when I first got it. I haven't touched it in months. But oh, time like today. Oh, there we go. Nice. All right. Got her. Of course, it takes a Torx bit instead of a Phillips screw. My actual screwdriver goes on this, has a magnet on it, it sucks it up and won't actually let it reach. So, in the set, it's a little max set. This little ratchet comes with it, so use that as far as we could. And unfortunately, the rest is by hand. Alright, so screws out. Out comes the Snowman. I think just so we don't have issues, we'll lock it back up. Use. Oh, that looks like it's actually Torx in the back of this guy too. So, out comes the mat kit. Figure out what size we actually need. Definitely a little guy. And actually smaller than that. So this one is a T8. T8, and it's actually finger tight. Get this set out of the way. And just to make sure I don't mess things up, I'm going to set the pieces in this tray the same way they came out. So, Snowman up, plate up, plate screws. Alright, so this should be standard size follower, I believe. I believe I got this from Cobra Instruments as well. Definitely my most favorite fowler out there. Ouch. I say ouch because it's got some sharp edges. Alright, so I will start by getting these key pins out in order. the cylinder, there's counter milling. It is a 500, if I didn't say that, it's 5 pins. Here, actually, I'll see if we might be able to see the counter milling in there a little bit. Alright. We're going to go the same way. So I used a little V so it grabs or just spits out the one at a time here, it's nice and slowly. Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Okay, so we now have an empty body. Alright, get an order. I do apologize, I do have a new phone stand, camera stand, so I don't want to mess it too much up on you, but you can see this is barrel. They're all barrels. But cool lock. Now my fun part is putting it back together, so I'll talk to you guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.